Good morning friends. My name is Deepak Goyal. Today we will discuss about current electricity. Current. Current means flow or motion. And electricity means charges. So current electricity means motion of charges. It is that branch of physics which gives us knowledge about charge particle which are in motion. I repeat, it is that branch of physics which gives us knowledge about charge particle which are in motion. Now, what is current? To understand the concept of current, let us take an example. Let it is a river in which water is flowing and it is the area of cross section. Let it is A. Now water is flowing in the river from this side to that side. Let 10 liter water flows from the river from this side to that side in 1 second. So what is the value of water current? The value of water current is 10 liter per second. In the same way, dear student, if in a conductor there are charges and let it has also the area of cross section is A. Now if charges are flowing from this side to that side, let in a conductor in a given time t, q charges q amount of charge flows from this side to that side. So in 1 second the charge flows from this side to that side is q by t, and the amount of charge which flows in 1 second through a given cross section is known as current. So what is current? So electric current is rate of flow of charges in a particular direction. Now its SI unit is ampere or coulomb per second, and its dimensional formula is m0, l0, t0 and a1. And current is a scalar quantity. Now first question arises. We said that in conductor charges move from one side to other side. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है कि चार्जेस कहाँ से आए. Now we know that metal यानी कि conductor are made up of atoms, and in atom there is a nucleus and electrons are revolving around it, and nucleus consists of neutron and proton. Now if we supply some amount of thermal heat to it, then the valence electron of this atom become free from it. So these electrons are called free electrons, and the atom which loses these electrons are called positive ions. Now mass of electron is 9.31 into 10 9.1 into 10 raised to power -31 kg और 0.511 MeV by c square, while the mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 raised power -27 kg or 938.3 MeV by c square. So mass of proton is 1837 times of mass of electron. So we can say that mass of proton is much larger as compared to the mass of electron. So due to the less mass of electron, the electron can randomly move inside the conductor. They can easily move inside the conductor, while the positive ions are fixed at some specific positions in the atom, in the metal. So these positive ions can vibrate about their main position, and the position at which these positive ions are situated are called interstitial site. Now डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन राइज होता है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर फ्रीली मूव करते हैं इस कंडक्टर के अंदर, तो क्या ये इस कंडक्टर से बाहर भी मूव कर सकते हैं? तो इसका आंसर है नहीं, ये अपने आप इस कंडक्टर से बाहर मूव नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि जैसे ही कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन इससे बाहर जाने की कोशिश करेगा तो क्या होगा, उस इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो पोजीशन है उसमें चेंज होगा नेग्लिजिबल. एंड वी नो दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन F इज इक्वल टू K Q1 Q2 बाई R स्क्वायर एंड R इज नियरली इक्वल टू 0. सो force is equal to infinity. So we can say that an electron can't move outside the atom without any external force, because to overcome the internal electrostatic force of attraction we have to provide it some external force. Okay, now in this situation electron are moving randomly inside the conductor. So the probability of moving the electron in upward direction is equal to the probability of electron in moving of downward direction, and the probability of moving the electron in left is equal to probability of moving in right. So the motion of electron is not defined in any particular direction. The motion of electron is not definite in any particular direction. So what is the value of net current? The value of net current is 0. अब अगर इस कंडीशन में करंट की वैल्यू 0 है तो करंट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? तो आंसर है कि करंट को फ्लो करने के लिए हम यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाई करेंगे. अब इस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का इफेक्ट क्या होगा वो हम पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जो टॉपिक होगा ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.